This is a simple Arduino temperature and humidity monitor using DHT11. We only need Arduino, DHT11 sensor, and an I2C LCD. Connect VC to 5 volts, GND to ground, and data to pin D2. Connect SDA to a 4 and CCL to a 5 for I2C communication. Upload the code to your Arduino. The LCD shows real-time temperature and humidity values. The data updates every 2 seconds. If the sensor fails, it shows an error message. Want full code and wiring? Check the description.